the newest Korean photo booth in UAE for only 30 dirhams.
Hi guys, I'm here at the VIP launch of Soleil's UAE from Singapore, guys. Right at the heart of Galleria Mall, Abu Dhabi. So let's go!
Singapore's #1 photo booth experience has officially landed in UAE. Say hello to Soleil's studio, now open in Abu Dhabi. Before you hit the booths, stop by the prop zone to level up your look. And yes, there's even a Dyson hair bar to perfect that selfie-ready glam. Then, step into one of the 7 insane theme booths, a retro vintage lift, a wild fish eye elevator, a cinematic NYC subway, a Vivi laundromat. Prices starts from 30 dirhams, a clean gray backdrop, and more. It's not just taking pictures. It's about catching the vibes, making memories, and creating content that hits. So grab your crew, strike your best pose, and get ready to go viral. Now open on the 3rd floor of Galleria Mall next to Tiger Milk Tea. See you guys here!